How to create a Saber Symbol Effect in After Effects. This is a really cool effect that you might have seen many times on YouTube or TikTok. Fortunately, it's quite simple to achieve in After Effects. Let's get started. You will need an image or logo of your choice. I will use the Tesla logo because it's clean and works well for this effect. You can easily find these images on Google, so just search for what you need. Now let's create a mask for the logo or symbol. Go to the layer menu at the top and select Auto Trace. You can adjust the settings if needed, but usually you can just click OK. Great, we have created a mask for the logo selection. Let's copy the masks. Click on the layer and press U to see all the masks. Select the mask and copy using the shortcut Ctrl+C. Now create a solid layer with the shortcut Ctrl+Y. The color doesn't matter. Select the solid layer and paste the mask using Ctrl+V. You can now delete the original layer. You only need the solid layer. Next, go to Effects and Presets and search for the Saber plugin. Add it to the solid layer. Now we need to apply the Saber effect on the symbol or icon. Expand Customize Core and set the layer type to Layer Masks. Now the symbol or icon has the Saber effect. But we need to animate it and make some adjustments. I like to reduce the glow intensity to make it look better, but you can experiment with the settings. You can also choose a preset from above and see what works best for you. Now let's animate it. Create a keyframe for start offset with a value of 100 at the beginning. Go a bit further in the timeline and set a keyframe with a value of 0. Make these keyframes easy by selecting them and pressing F9. Go now to the graph editor and follow my graph to make it smoother. You could add some flicker for a nice effect. Just experiment with it. Finally, let's give it a 3D touch. Create a camera layer by right clicking in the layer panel. Select a new and then choosing camera. You don't need to change the camera setting for now. Just press OK. Make the solid layer 3D by clicking on the 3D icon. Now expand the camera settings. Change the middle value of the position to a high value to create a 3D effect. Create a keyframe, go a bit further and set the value to 720. Make these keyframes easy by pressing F9 and follow the adjustments I make in the graph. Don't forget to enable motion blur. There we go. Now you have created a very nice Saber symbol effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.